Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make flan cake at home, only ways. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and warming sugar for caramel until golden. Whisk eggs, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla for a smooth custard. Mix cake batter separately, pour into a caramel-lined pan, then gently add custard. Bake in a water bath until set, then chill fully before inverting to reveal the flan top. Caramel can make or break your flan cake, so take it slow and keep a steady hand. Melt sugar over medium heat, swirling rather than stirring to prevent crystals. When it reaches a rich amber, remove from heat and tilt the pan to coat evenly. Work quickly but carefully as caramel hardens fast. Let it cool just enough to stay liquid, then proceed to layer the cake batter and custard for the best results. If you're enjoying this flan cake tutorial, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for storing slices and leftovers. They save time and reduce spills. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support and for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Baking the flan cake in a water bath prevents cracks and keeps textures silky and smooth. Place the assembled pan in a larger tray, add hot water halfway up the outer pan, and bake until the center jiggles slightly. Remove carefully and cool on a rack, then refrigerate for several hours or overnight to set fully. Cold chilling helps the layers firm up and makes the flan cake much easier to slice and serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.